Morning. Today we are going to learn how to remove the CPU from the motherboard. So we are going to use a screwdriver, this one which matches our screw here from the CPU socket. So just put this screwdriver here, then rotate to the right or anti-clockwise. Until the end. So after that, take ease the CPU out of the CPU socket. So do not use the force, just use zero force. So it is easy and CPU is out. So let it put back again. So to put the CPU back again, we are look on one thing. So you see this angle here, this sign here, align it with this on the CPU socket, with this angle on the CPU socket. So just align this angle with this angle on the CPU socket in order to turn back the CPU properly. Easy, and do not use the force, and the CPU is attached to the CPU socket is. So let's return the screw back, rotate it with the screwdriver clockwise, and the CPU is back again to the CPU socket. So this is how to remove the CPU and to turn it back to the CPU socket of the motherboard again. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and share.